Alright folks, today we're going to talk about the difference between a nail and a screw. At first glance they look pretty similar, but there are some differences. Let's start off with a nail. A nail is a long, thin spike that has a pointy end on one side and a nail head on the other. A screw is pretty similar. It also has a pointy end on one side with a head on the other. The difference with the screw is it has a spiral that goes up the screw. This spiral gives the screw its strength. Next, let's talk about how each gets its strength. A nail is basically a wedge. You wedge the nail into the material and it gets its strength by being pushed in between the material. This can also cause problems because if the nail moves around a lot, it will slowly wiggle its way out of that material. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. So the screw gets a lot of grip. Once that's in place, it is a lot stronger than a nail. Next, let's talk about the tool you use with each. First of all, a nail. With a nail, we use a hammer. The hammer hits the head of the nail and drives the nail into the material. Also with a hammer, you can take the backside of the hammer, the claw, and pull the nail out using the claw. The tool that we use with a screw is a drill. This drill has a drill bit that fits into the head of the screw. So we can spin the drill, it will spin the screw and slowly drive that screw into place. Hopefully this video made it easier to identify a nail and a screw. Be safe and good luck.